U-BOS2 is a necessary repair tool for MacBook repairers. Mac UEFI and BIOS database. Contains U-BOS2 host for writing sockets corresponding to 4 SPI ROM chips. A SPI ROM universal board, a U disk with add serial number. Support micro USB, Type_C power input. And support 4 AAA batteries for power. Press the on/off power button. Put the SPI ROM chip into the corresponding socket. The SPI ROM data of all Mac serial models from 2008 to 2020 are written inside the U-BOS2 host. SPI ROM data for more than 100 Mac models. Suitable for all Mac from 2008 to 2020, including iMac, Mac Mini, MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. EG to IG, for 15-inch MacBook Pro to turn off the independent graphics function, solve problems such as no display, blurry screen, crash, power failure, etc. caused by graphics card, video memory, or PCB layer problems. U-BOS2 can solve the problem of MacBook motherboard not booting, not displaying, freezing, blue screen and other problems caused by BIOS data problems. For removing EFI lock, firmware lock, pin lock and remote management lock.
Thank you for watching.